Welcome back. This is English Speaking Confidence. I am Alex. I am glad you're here. Stay with us, learn with us, grow with us. Part 2. Why speaking feels hard. You know English, but you do not speak. Your brain works. Your voice stops. This is normal. You are. Learning Part 3. Fear of mistakes. You think, what if I am wrong? But mistakes help. Mistakes teach, mistakes grow you. Say this, I am learning. I can speak. Part 4. Stop translating. Do not change every sentence from your language to English. Think simple, think English water. Chair phone. Part 5. Short sentences. Short is clearer. Short is strong. I am ready. I am learning. I will try. Your confidence rises. Part 6. Repeat with me. Can speak English. I am improving. I am not afraid. Again, I can speak English. I am improving. I am not afraid. Part 7. Why you feel I do not understand English. People speak fast. You listen less. Listen every day. Little by little. Part 8. Slow listening. Practice English as a tool. English opens doors. English helps my future. Say again, English opens doors. Part 9. Practice out loud. Talk to yourself. Talk to the mirror. Say what you see. This is my bag. This is my table. This is my notebook. Part 10. Describe actions. I am reading. I am walking. I am learning. Simple practice. Big result. Part 11. Calm your fear. People do not laugh. People respect effort. Be brave. Speak anyway. Part 12. Story time. There is a girl. Her name is Sarah. Sarah is shy. Sarah wants English. She practices daily. She keeps going. One day she speaks. She smiles. You can too. Part 13. Mind training. Say inside, I'm strong. I am calm. I am improving. Repeat slowly. Part 14. Listening grows. First ears learn, then mouth follows. Keep listening every day. Part 15. Daily habit plan. 5 minutes listening, 5 minutes reading, 5 minutes speaking. Small steps, big change. Part 16. Common thoughts. I am slow. I cannot speak. Change. I am learning. I can speak. Your brain listens. Part 17. Confidence lines. Say with me, trust myself. I try again. I do not give up. Again, I trust myself. Part 18. Motivation break. Close your eyes. Breathe slowly. You are growing. You're moving forward. English is coming to you. Part 19. Review. Together speak, even if wrong. Think in English. Use short sentences. Listen every day. Little progress. Every day. Hope you've subscribed to our channel, because today we're going to build your speaking confidence step by step, slowly, clearly, and powerfully. Take a deep breath. Relax your shoulders. This is your time to grow. Remember, mistakes are not bad. Mistakes are signs that you are learning. And today we're going to focus on speaking naturally, thinking in English, and building real sentences you can use every single day. Let's begin with something simple. Creating confidence. When you speak English, don't whisper, don't rush. Say your words clearly and with calm energy. Repeat after me slowly. Hi, how are you? Again. Hi, how are you? Now, a bit longer. Hi, how are you? It's nice to see you. Feel the rhythm. Feel the sound in your mouth. Try to smile when you speak. Smiling changes your voice, and your voice becomes more friendly, more confident, more open. Now imagine you meet someone new. Instead of staying quiet, you speak first. You say, hello, I'm happy to meet you. Then you ask, what's your name? And when they answer, you respond, great, nice to meet you. Practice this in your head. Practice out loud. Practice while walking, cooking, or sitting. The more you repeat, the more natural it becomes. Next, let's grow your sentences. Many learners speak only in short words like yes, no, okay, but confident English uses full sentences. For example, instead of yes, try, yes, that sounds good. Instead of no, try, no, I don't think so, but thank you. Instead of okay, say, okay, I understand. Longer sentences show confidence. They show that you are thinking clearly. Now imagine daily life. You go to a shop. Instead of pointing, you speak calmly. Excuse me, can I ask something? Then, how much is this? Then, Do you have another size? Repeat these lines with me slowly. Hear yourself saying them clearly. Picture yourself actually using them in real life. Confidence grows when your brain says, I know what to say. Let's move forward, deeper. Think about your voice. Speak from your chest, not only your throat. Try, I can speak English. Again, I can speak English with confidence. Say it slower, say it stronger. Say it like a promise to yourself. Because every time you practice, you're building a habit, and habits shape your future. Now, let's practice describing things around you. Look at the room. Say, this is my chair. It's comfortable. This is my phone. I use it every day. This is my table. It's simple, but I like it. When you describe your world, English becomes part of your thinking. You are not translating. You are living in English. Now imagine a conversation with a friend. You say, how was your day? They answer. You reply, that sounds interesting. You ask, what did you do next? Conversation is like a dance. You ask, you listen, you answer, you react. You don't have to be perfect. You just have to continue. Let's work on expressing feelings. Say, I feel tired. Then, I feel excited. Then, I feel a little nervous, but I'm trying. Feelings create real communication. Instead of hiding, you share. That's confidence. Now, think about the future. Say, tomorrow, I will practice English again. Next week, I will speak with more confidence. In the future, I want to use English for work and travel. The more you speak about your future, the more your brain believes it. Next, let's improve pronunciation slowly. Open your mouth. Relax your tongue. Try, think 3. Now, this, that, these, those. Repeat gently, no stress. Just slow, careful sound. Pronunciation improves with patience, not pressure. Imagine now you are in a job interview. You say, thank you for inviting me. I am hardworking and I love learning. I may not be perfect, but I am improving every day. This kind of language shows maturity and confidence. Let's build storytelling skills. A small story. Yesterday, I woke up early. I made some tea. I listened to English for 10 minutes. It was simple, but it helped me feel proud. Notice how simple sentences become a clear story. You don't need difficult grammar to speak well. You need clarity, calmness, and practice. Now, let's practice slowing down. Many learners rush, but confident speakers slow down. Try this. Let me think. Okay, I believe. Pausing is powerful. Pausing shows control. You don't need to hurry. We continue deeper. Think about encouragement. Say, I'm doing better. I'm improving. I'm not giving up. Speak kindly to yourself. Your mind listens to your words. If your words are positive, your confidence grows naturally. Now imagine traveling. At the airport you say, where is gate number 7? At the hotel, I have a reservation. At the restaurant, could I see the menu, please? These sentences open doors literally. Let's practice apologizing politely. Say, sorry, I didn't understand. Then, can you say that again, please? This is not weakness. This is confidence. Confident people ask when they don't understand. Now think about small talk, weather, work, hobbies. Say, the weather is nice today. I enjoy reading. I like learning languages. Small talk connects people. It creates bridges. Next, express opinions. Say, I think this is interesting. In my opinion, it's a good idea. I'm not sure, but maybe we can try. Opinions show you have a voice, and your voice matters. Finally, promise yourself something. Say, I will keep practicing. I believe in myself. Every day my English becomes stronger. Keep repeating these ideas in your daily life. Walk, talk, think, repeat. Bit by bit, your confidence will rise. And remember, I'm Alex, and I'm here to help you grow, step by step. Keep practicing, stay patient, stay positive, and I'll see you in the next lesson. Closing message. Think. you for learning. Thank you for staying. This is English Speaking Confidence. I am Alex. Keep practicing, keep speaking, keep believing. Please subscribe. And if you want more English learning stories, write in the comments. See you next time, asterisk.